Today
Hello,
we'll show you the
everyone.
inspection and
Today I
test
want to show you
process
around
before
our
packing the
workshop.
drilling rig after
Please
it is
follow
made.
me. This is XDH110 hydraulic DTH drilling rig. We now take a look at its assembly and test process. The rig is lightweight and easy to move. Nylon slider for easy replacement. The loading and unloading speed of drill pipe is controllable and the safety is high. The 14 MPa hydraulic system is adapted. The torque reaches 980 kN, and the output is stable and reliable.
The machine test was very successful, and the feedback on the drilling effect on the
XDH110
construction
hydraulic
side was
DTH
very
drilling rig
good.
is widely applied to road, National Defense, Water Conservancy, open pit mine, small blast hole drilling, stope protection projects, etc.
The effect of horizontal drilling is very good. Remember to give us a follow.